Do you want to add your name in ATL list? Then follow this easy guide. First, search for FBR on the Google and then click on this link. Then this page will open. Now you click on e-payments and then click on income tax. After it, you need to select your tax year and then you need to select the type, in which I am going to choose CNIC, and type your CNIC here. And if you click anywhere, then it will take your name and other details automatically. Then click on the MISC from this option and now select the surcharge for ATL and enter the amount 1000 and click OK, or click anywhere and enter the amount here too. Then you need to enter your email address and you need to click here, and that's all. Now confirm it, and now you got your PSID. Congratulations, you have done it. And now you can use this PSID from your banking app EasyPaisa, or you can go to bank and use this PSID to pay your surcharge for ATL. And after it, in 1 or 2 days, your name will be added to the ATL list. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe button.